Welcome to Trading the Trend for Wednesday, the 2nd of August. We'll be looking at a slightly longer term move in a second for this week. Let's look back at last week's, where we went long natural gas. This one really hasn't moved over the past week. In fact, we're seeing a little bit of weakness over the past couple of days, but certainly it's one I think that might see some more longevity to it, actually, with signs of perhaps energy demand increasing. It might be that the fundamental view continues to support further upside in the price, even if for the moment we've yet to see much of a move. And that is most likely connected to the downgrade of US credit by Fitch last night. So just putting a bit of pressure on risk assets across the board, and natural gas is certainly not exempt from that. But if we look to this week, we're going to look at euro dollar, which is certainly an interesting position. And again, it's a bit of a tough one this week because of this US downgrade that's really affecting markets across the board this morning. There's no escaping this, and natural gas is one, euro dollar is another. In fact, most markets are really mulling over the implications of this move, if certainly not seeing further losses. But if we look at euro dollar, this one, of course, has pulled back dramatically from where we were in July, up around 112.50. But the overall trend is still there, even if it perhaps looks a bit knocked back over the past 3 weeks or so. But we're looking for this to continue, really, perhaps thanks to continued caution on the Fed's part with regards to more interest rate hikes. And so if we do perhaps see a recovery in risk appetite over the next few days and the pair moves back above 110 with the daily close above this level and above trendline support, I think we're looking to continue to expect further upside here. So we're going to go long this one for this trend with an expectation that over the course of time it will push back towards 113 and higher. So I think that's the key thing to watch out for. So the trade of the trend for this week is to go long euro dollar above 110, and we're going to put our stop down below this early July low at 108.30. So that's trading the trend for Wednesday, the 2nd of August, to go long euro dollar with an initial target of 113 at a stop at 108.30.